Hi, welcome back to New Look. Today I am back with another simple natural remedy for skin whitening in just 15 minutes. You may have at one or time the other you try the basin for the skin to put the glow back, to remove tan and pigmentation, or to get a smooth and supple skin. What makes basin a hot favorite as its ability to cleanse the skin while maintaining the skin's pH balance. Other basin benefits are that it is an antimicrobial and it keeps the skin moisturized. Basin is inexpensive and it is readily available. You can purchase at market or else you can prepare at your home. The effects of basin depend on the ingredients that are used with it and your skin type. You could make a paste with just water or could try a homemade basin face pack for gorgeous skin. Now I'm going to show how to prepare a face mask using basin powder. So let's go into the procedure. To prepare this DIY face mask, we require a basin powder, curd, 1 amount of lemon and rose water. By using these 4 ingredients, basin powder, curd, rose water and lemon, I'm going to prepare a face pack. Take a bowl. In this bowl, add 1 tablespoon of basin powder, 2 tablespoons of yogurt and squeeze the juice of lemon. While squeezing the juice, remove all the seeds in it. Now squeeze out the juice. Now mix well all these ingredients. This basin powder or else the gram flour is a versatile ingredient. It fights with pimples, removes tan and reduces the oiliness of the skin and moisturizes it too. It can be mixed with variety of ingredients to clean and nourish your hair, to make it shiny, help it grow and remove dandruff also. Its high nutrient and fiber content improves your cholesterol levels, fights fatigue, regulates your blood pressure, controls diabetes and strengthens your bones while you intake this basin powder. This is not only used for skin, it is also used for hair as well as for your health. This gram flour is used in Indian beauty recipes since long time. My mom and grandmom used to keep telling me the benefits of basin over the chemicals I use. Even basin is used in pre-wedding grooming treatment to add glow because of the amazing results it gives. Today I will be sharing some tried and today I am showing the tried and tested gram flour face mask for body. After mixing this, take some amount into your hands, in both the hands. Now I am going to show on my hand, that's it. You take with your 2 hands and apply it all over your body. It is not if it is not necessary, you just apply for your face and neck. While applying for face, most of the people forget to apply to the neck, but you don't do that mistake. Try to apply on the neck also. Now I'm taking some amount into my hand. Like this, you apply onto your skin and massage for 5 to 10 minutes. The curd also moisturizes your skin and helps to improve the tone of your skin. And lemon, it is very rich in vitamin C, which helps to remove all the blemishes, dark spots, acne scars, etc. After massaging, apply another coat of layer. And allow to sit to dry. It will take 20 to 30 minutes to dry. After that, wash with normal water. This is very natural mask. In this we used basin, lemon, rose water and the curd, which all will use to get rid of all the blemishes, dark spots, acne scars, whatever you have. And it is very useful for all the skin types because I used curd. It will helpful for the dried skin. And this basin powder helps to reduce the excessive oiliness on your face. Please do try at your home. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to our channel. New Look.
Like, share, subscribe, ring the bell button.